New Alpine R-Series R-S65.2 speakers offer larger voice coils, new cone technologies, and better performance over the previous RS65 models. Overall, the R-Series speaker is smaller, making them ideal for tight installations and use matching speaker grills that are shallower as well. The RS65.2 woofers have a larger 35 mm voice coil for increased motor control over the bass output versus the previous RS65. The R-Series speakers have been designed from the ground up utilizing an Alpine exclusive cone technology, CFRP, carbon fiber reinforced polymer. This high-strength, yet lightweight material is formed so that its fibers align in the same direction as the curve and shape of the cone, thereby reducing resonant peaks. In addition, CFRP is used as a tweeter diaphragm, enabling the system to perform up into the 45 kHz range, making the speakers compliant with high-resolution audio playback. Top reviews from the United States. They're no joke. Everybody was like, why now? They know why these babies are loud, sound great. Have them hooked up to amp and they sound amazing. Really loud music sound travels pretty good with just 4 of these and 1 sub-IM louder than guys with 15 speakers. Quality not quantity. Alpine is a vet in the car audio game, can't go wrong.